Hi, Ty. I thought it would be easier to address your questions via this video. So your first question was, how many claims do you need? The answer is at least two. That's why there's this big red note in the middle of the paragraph that says copy and paste the above section, claim grounds warrant. Repeat using the Tillman model for as many sub-arguments as you have for this topic sentence. And it's repeated here as well in the directions. And then also in your actual proposal paper assignment, um, in the major essay directions for the essay that we're working on. Under main arguments, it states it. And then again, here in the requirements, it says main arguments, at least two main arguments with at least two sub-arguments to prove them. More is always allowed. So your answer is two. Your second question that you asked, which was about the counterclaim, you need to come back to the directions. I explained what the opposing view is. So in the opposing view, you would talk about other solutions out there for this topic, at least two. Why are they working, or what makes your solution the best? You could also talk about, and I kind of stated here, you can address other solutions and refute them, or why people are against your solution. It's the opposition to that. That is also explained in the outline in the opposing view section. It says, state the main idea of the section. Be sure to clarify that you're addressing the unworkable solutions, not just switching sides. So discuss another solution that's been tried as a possibility. So again, read through the directions on the outline. It will see you through. Also go back to the paper assignment directions that we're working on. The class voted for your third email. The class voted on partnering, and the class voted to have a partner assigned to them. So you will be assigned a partner tomorrow in class. I hope this answers all your questions. Please email with any others.